lots of noise or something coming down my hall.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Don't be doing some dust, aren't they?
Right.
All right. We are going to go into Jim's office and we're going to confront him with this problem in a loving way. Okay? Everybody okay?
Let's
Yep.
go.
Remember, support him, all right?
That's right.
Support.
We're
Positive.
doing this because we love.
I had a caller. Yeah. There's Jim. I can see his reflection. Yeah, I know.
All right. Yeah.
Jim. Jim.
Hey,
We all love you.
I did clean some stuff out.
We really love you. Come on in.
There's hardly any room in here for us.
Yeah,
All right,
come
just
on.
let me finish this email and get out of here.
And we're here because we care about you.
We're here to help you, Jim.
Okay. You can help me later.
This is called a hoarder's intervention.
All right. I did throw a lot of stuff out the other day.
You've made good steps.
working
Jim.
on
You
it.
added new
But you
stuff.
added new.
No, I didn't. What did
Denial is a common reaction to hoarders.
I gotta get this done.
All right, so I'm going to lend Shannon to you for as many hours as it takes, and you got to take
Alright.
advantage of her because she's going to help you get organized.
Uh-oh.
If not, we've got to.
He's even got Celine's clean team. He's thinking about this.
Yeah,
She's
see?
coming in tomorrow.
We'll see about that.
If you don't-
Right now, I'm
If
hitting them
it's
at
not-
10:30.
If it's not cleaned up by Monday, I have a room booked for you at the Charlotte Regional Hoarders Unit to go into therapy and, rehab.
Okay.
Are you going to clean it up by Monday?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We intervene because we care.
Right.
If we didn't love you, we wouldn't be doing this.
We clean because we care.
There we go.
And if you
Okay.
don't clean it by Monday, we're going to paint over your window.
That's right. We're gonna black it out.
You know, I
That's an
did
idea.
read somewhere that most geniuses have really messy offices, though.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
There you go.
Huh?
But we haven't, ever since your office got messy, we haven't recruited any
Oh, wait,
agents,
that's not
so I
helpful.
have to think it's your fault.
Oh, we don't
That
want
is a heavy load to bear.
I don't
Yeah.
think that's true, because it's been pretty messy since day one. And
Yes.
Well, he's gotten past denial.
I know,
To accept
Now he's in the
it now.
defensive stage.
I know you know how to do it because the day of our grand opening, the first grand opening, it was perfectly neat.
You haven't looked at my drawers.
I am not looking in your drawers. All right, it's a
All right,
wrap.
all right.
Okay.
I got the message.
Good luck.
Why don't you leave one of those bags?
There's only one.
All right. We've done our duty.